Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can connect TikTok to your Facebook. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes, write comments under this video, and let's get started. And first of all, I recommend that you go to the TikTok app. And this is where you're going to go to your profile and copy your username, which is underneath your profile picture, just by clicking on it. That way you will copy it. Next, go to Facebook. And when you're on the main Facebook page, click to go to your page. Here select Edit or 3 dots. And from the 3 dots menu, select Edit. Next, scroll down a little bit until you find the link. Click Add. And this is where you will need to add your copied link. To do this, select the platform you would like to add the link to. Select TikTok. And at the bottom, click, hold, and paste your TikTok username. After that, click Done. Next, click Done and confirm your actions. This way, you will paste the link to your TikTok into your Facebook. And if you update your TikTok, you'll be able to see in your details the link to your TikTok. And if you click on it, then click on that link, you can go to your TikTok. Friends, this is how you can easily connect your TikTok application to your Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, put your likes, write your comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And see you soon.